Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Capi at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong mababasa para sa'yo, Capi, at sa person mo. Okay. You're too nice. I don't deserve your kindness. Okay, Capricorn. Ang sinasabi dito, this is the main thing or parang theme ng ating reading is masyado kang mababait. Hindi mo deserve o hindi ko deserve yung kabaitan mo. Okay? It could be you or your person, Capricorn. Alam mo yung may guilt feeling ka. You feel guilty na kasi ang bait-bait nitong person, itong taon to, na alam mong hindi mo deserve kasi meron kang ginagawang mali. Alam mo yun? Hanggang ba nagigilty ka? We have the 8 of Pentacles, the 8 of Swords, the 2 of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Empress. Bottom niya is the Strength. Okay, copy. Strength card. Ito yung energy coming from a Leo. Okay? You might be dealing with a Leo. O may Leo ka sa iyong chart. Yung strength kasi dito is really telling you na magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob o courage. O be confident, no? Something to do with confidence, no? Yung na alam mong eto ka no? Yung alam mo yung sarili mo. You know yourself. Malakas ka, you're strong, hindi ka basta-basta natitinag. No, confident ka kasi sabi ko nga, kilala mo yung sarili mo. Alam mo kung anong kaya mo ibigay, ano yung meron ka, ano yung itsura mo, 'di ba? Kaya yung kung gawa parang hindi mo kailangang i-push pa para gawin ang isang bagay kasi alam mo na you know yourself. Now, judgment is something na kung gawa tipong humingi ng isang desisyon. It has something to do with maybe a relationship or an investment na ginawa mo matagal na. Kasi with the 7 of Pentacles, this is yung nag-invest ka. Yung tipong matagal na itong mong inaalagaan. O matagal na itong relationship na to. kung ba meron ka ng pinundar dito, no? And you are being asked to make that decision about this relationship. Okay? Does it have something to do with a third person? Kasi andito yung Three of Cups eh. No, I'm just wondering. Kasi sometimes the Three of Cups would mean may third party. Kaya are you being parang asked to make that decision, a relationship na matagal na, kung anong gagawin mo, maybe because it has something to do with a third party, or it could be something to do with a reconciliation. Yung pagsasama muli. No? Pagsasama muli. Kasi maybe that's why you're being asked to be confident about this. No? Maging sigurado ka, be sure kung ano magiging decision mo dito sa sitwasyon na to. Now, first card mo dito, Capricorn, is the Eight of Pentacles. Talagang you are working very hard, consistently, para ma-achieve mo talaga yung gusto mo. Yung makapag-ipon ng pera, maraming pera, para maging stable ka, no? Para sure na talagang may pera, na kahit sa iyong pagtanda, hindi ka mahihirapan, kaya ka trabaho ng trabaho. You want that stability, no? You want to be sure that yung pagdating ng mga panahon na peligro, meron ka pang mabubunot na pera, no? In other words, hindi ka hirap sa buhay, kaya ka trabaho ng trabaho. Talagang kung gawa, you are perfecting, no? You're trying to perfect all works o any project na binibigay sa'yo, kasi dito mo na makukuha yung way to earn money, to keep yourself stable, no? Ito yun eh. Now with the Eight of Swords, merong mga bagay na syempre we are not totally kung ba parang aware, no? In a way aware, kasi ito yung energy na hindi mo nakikita eh. You don't see it. Hindi mo siya nakikita kasi tinakluban mo yung mata mo eh. You covered your eyes. Kung ba you refuse to see what you need to see. No? You refuse to walk away or tipong go to a place na or get out of that relationship. Two Pentacles is really balancing, no? Wini-weigh mo yung things, no? What is more important sa ngayon? You are trying to see kung ano bang dapat gawin. Maybe ito na yung pumapasok na because you are really very kind, no? Mabait ka talaga. Kaya kung gabay, hindi mo nakikita kung may kapalpakan yung tao, no? Kung merong ginagawang hindi mabuti. Kung alam mo man, sabi ko nga, you refuse to look at it. Hindi mo siya tinitignan o tinititigan. Alam mo, pero ayaw mo i-address yung problema. Kasi mabait ka eh. Kung ba mapagpatawad kang tao. Kaya ikaw, parang, hindi, ano yan, magiging okay din. Kahit alam mo, na hindi naman pantay. Dito sa picture, nakita mo isang mansanas, isang orange. Hindi talaga pareho yan. Parehong prutas, pero hindi sila parehong mansanas, hindi sila parehong orange. Magkaiba sila. Pero para sa'yo, pareho yan. Ganun yung tingin mo. At, syempre, masaya ka no? You're happy. You feel successful, you feel happy, contented, and you know na talagang ito yung person na magbibigay sa iyo ng abundance, no? Yung katuparan ng lahat ng yung pinapangarap with the Empress. If you are seeing yourself na ito yung tao na magpo-fulfill na para magkaroon ka ng mga anak or family, siya yun. You see it to be somebody na talagang, okay, this is the one. Ito na talaga. Okay, tingnan natin. Bakit andito yung 8 of Swords? We have the Hermit, the Fool, and the Four of Pentacles. Something that you refuse to acknowledge is something na pinag-iisipan mo talaga. Something that you need to reflect on with the Hermit. Energy to coming from a Virgo. And yet you want to take that leap of faith. Gusto mong mag-take ng risk. No? Kasi once naisip mo na, no, you have thought about it long and hard, you wanted to take action. Ano yung action to take? To hold on tight sa relationship na to. Yun yung nakikita mo not to let it go. Ayoko tumawala. Naisip ko na magbabaka sakali ako na kami talaga, hindi ko to aalisin sa buhay ko. Ayoko siyang mawala. That is something that you have kept yourself not to see. Ibig sabihin yung kung meron ka man tinakluban o parang ito na lang yung gusto kong makita. Ito yung gusto kong makita na I won't let go of this relationship. Bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung Two of Pentacles? We have the King of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Ace of Pentacles. Something na, di ba sabi ko na you're trying to balance is you, no? Capricorn, the King of Pentacles. Trying to balance yung work in time to earn money, trying to be with your person. Kasi alam mo, this person is somebody from your past. Somebody na bumalik from your past. Kaya binibigyan mo siya ng value Binibigyan mo ng halaga itong relationship na to kasi talagang alam mo yung pinag-iipunan mo, pinagtatrabahuhan mo, kasi nakakakita ka ng future, magandang future with this person from the past. I think you really binavalue mo maigi tong tao na to. Hindi mo akalain na babalik siya sa'yo. Maybe because sabihin na natin na noon talagang may pagtingin ka na nung nagkahiwalay kayo, pero hindi mo naisip na babalik talaga siya sa akin. Destiny really meant for us to see each other again. Kaya ngayon, I have this new beginning with him or her. Kaya gagawin ko lahat, no? I'll do everything to make sure na magiging stable yung relationship namin. No? To make things really balanced. Kahit na sabihin natin na mahirap, pero babalansihin ko to. I will do everything to make it balance. Bakit andito yung sun? We have the hangman, the page of swords, and the world. Masaya ka naman sa kanya eh. Sabi ko, di ba? You want happiness. You are happy. Contented. Kahit na sabihin natin may mga bagay na minsan walang nangyayari. Walang nangyayari doon sa information na nakuha mo, may nalaman mo. Kasi ang dinulot lang naman ito sa'yo is ending. Parang may natapos. Something ended. Pero yung pag-e-end kasi nito is the start of a new beginning. Pag-uumpisa muli. No? If your person, sabihin natin, parang tipong nakahang kasi siya kung gaano movement. Walang nangyayari, walang galaw. But you receive a message, no? Or maybe there was a message sent na nagbigay sa'yo ng additional info. And that parang nag-trigger na magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa muli. Nag-trigger siya na kung ba patapos na, nagtapos siya kasi kailangan mag-umpisa muli. No? I think that is why it made you happy kasi nakita mo na, wow, bumalik nga siya muli. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa inyo, itong 6 of Cups is somebody from the past. Kung tipong hindi mo akalain na wala na, no? Kasi ito ngayon, di ba sabi ko sa yung hangman, parang walang nangyayari. Hindi mo akalain na may mangyayari o babalik muli. So, nung bumalik siya, parang ito na, nag-start na yung pag-uumpisa ng panibagong pag-uumpisa, a new beginning. And it made you happy. No? Naging masaya ka dito. Ba't andito yung Empress? Bakit andito yung Empress? We have the 7 of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the 4 of Wands. Itong dala ng Empress energy sa ating outcome, because this is all about love and abundance. Ito yung matagal mo nang kung gaba iniintay. Kasi ang bagal-bagal nga ng kilos. Pero at the end, ito rin yung iniintay mo na mangyayari na proposal. Or heading towards the future. Or heading towards marriage or union. Okay? So kahit nag-intay ka ng matagal, kasi mabagal talaga yung pagkilos o yung pangyayari, pero ang kaduluduluhan nito, sabi nga nila, mahaba man ang prosesyon, sa simbahan din ang punta nito, ang ending, yung tipong ganon. Kasi the 4 of Pentacles, the 4 of Wands, is all about establishing yung future mo, no? You're heading towards your future, which is marriage. Maganda siya. So, what can we do? Sabi dito, turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experience love. Wow. So, kung na-experience mo nga itong love, which is, I think it has something to do sa person from the past. That is, kung ba parang, eto yun, na in love ka talaga dito sa tao na to eh. You really have to, kung ba parang reflect on it. Pag-isipan mo daw mabuti. Kasi totoo siya eh, no? Totoo mo naramdaman yung pag-ibig na yun. Hindi ka, you won't really, parang hold on to this, no? Hindi mo to basta-basta ano yung hold on, kung alam mong wala lang. Kaya ka ganun eh, no? Because you know, at the end, magiging kayong dalawa rin. It's really the two of you. Kasi nga, the fact na bumalik siya, no? Somebody from the past, bumalik siya para maging kayo muli. It says here, first quarter moon in Virgo, assess the situation. First quarter moon in Leo, be humble. And full moon in Leo, go wild. Okay, so, kung ba parang, kung alam mo ito na, this is the one, then go. Na-assess mo kasi this is the one, syempre, huwag ka masyadong, magpakakumbaba ka, that's what I'm trying to say. And you go for it, no? Kasi ito nga yung energy ng Leo. No, go for it. Kung talaga alam mo siya na yon, go for it. Huwag mo isipin na hindi mo deserve you to. I think you deserve to be happy. Andito yun eh, no? Happiness. Leo, you deserve to be happy. Kaya go for it. Okay? Kung kanino mang Capricorn itong nakuha nating enerhiya sa pagbasa na to, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sana nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.